Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you a craft with like treats for your doggo and stuff. So let's get to this if we haven't already. Which I know we haven't. Let's try to get the stuff ready. So first, you need a cleaned out mason jar. That would be best. A cleaned out mason jar. I have this one. Okay, so on the top with something that will not get on your hands, like mine. Right, dog food. Dog treats, sorry. DIY treats. Dog. Okay, so after we cheat something, you do not have to put this. You know what? Do not put it, because mine is starting to fade a lot. Do not put it, you guys. Please don't. Just don't put it. So you open up the mason jar, and you have this. And you have this left over. Take this off. And you have the mason jar. We're going to get some of your dog's treats. Goodness. I have a lot here. My dog's super good. I know, I'm going to have to. Oh, my goodness. There's so many people on this plate. Okay. I have a lot of dog treats down here. And what you're going to do is put the dog treats in your mason jar. I'm going to let you in on this. As you can see, it's falling everywhere. But just don't put them on a plate when you get them. Like, hey guys, sorry about that. I messed it up. The computer up. But yeah. My dog doesn't like most of these treats, but she likes the ones that I put. But I have to start over. But it's all good now because I can put the videos together. Now I have to get up all of this on the floor that I dropped. Because there's so many dog treats. It's so hard to like keep them all in one spot. Like I'm not kidding. Okay, I'm missing some. Okay, I'm not missing any, but here I can. So after you put your dog treats in, I have kibbles and bits in here because that's all my dog likes for treats. We're gonna get this part, set it on, get the other part. I don't like Illuminati's because I think they're very bad. But that is your DIY dog treat container. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.